Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Today we will discuss about the comets. So, dear students, the bright star-like objects with a long tail approaching the sun in a highly elliptical orbit are called comets. So, comets are the star-like objects with a long tail and that are commuting, that are moving, that are approaching towards the sun in an elliptical orbit. So you will see these are the comets. The bright like objects is commonly called the head of comets. So the object which is bright, it is called head of the comet. It consists of frozen water along with the sun of ice and gases along with the dust changed to form gaseous matter which appears in the form of long tail. So this head of the comet, it consists of frozen water. It consists of some of the gases and dust that appears in the form of a long gaze while this comet is moving towards the sun. The tail of comet always points from the sun because of the pressure of solar radiation, that is solar wind. Due to pressure of the solar radiation, it always points away from the sun. It looks that it is moving away from the sun. The tail of the comet could be as long as 800 million kilometers. The time period of revolution of the comet around the sun is very long. There are some comets which appear after fixed intervals of time. Such comets are called periodic comets. Halley Comet is one of the such periodic comet which is visible once in 76 years. It was sighted in 1910 and then 1986. It was expected to visit us in the year 2062. So unlike planets, the comets do not last forever in the solar system. It is because as they approach to the sun, they lost a good amount of their mass in the form of gas and small chunks of rocks. Thus they become smaller and smaller and finally disappears. So this is about these comets. They are tail-like. They have the head-like. They approach towards the sun, and these are the celestial bodies, and their size becomes very low because during the time they lose their weight, they lose some of its parts and become small and finally disappear, and they move around. They rotate, they complete their sun around, they complete one revolution around the sun in 76 years. So their long tail is almost 800 million kilometers.